Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Regarding the meiosis, today's topic, it is about the meiosis where we consider as a reductional division or also called as an heterotypic division. Meiosis only happens in the during gametogenesis, or we can also call it as a sporogenesis, or we can also call it as an zygotic meiosis also, where it happens in the thallophytes. So there are three steps: zygotic meiosis and algae, and remaining sporic meiosis also we can call it, and the gametogenesis also. The cells which undergo the meiosis are called it as an meiocytes also. Here meiosis is not a single step, it is a very complicated step where it happens during this maturation time period. When the cell decided to undergo the meiosis, it is undergoing the G1 stage, S phase, G2 phase, then M1 meiosis 1 phase and meiosis 2 phase, then it is producing the 4. So that is why when the 2n number is there and when it is dividing into n, 4n will be produced. How come it is possible? Here we say that 2n only, the diploid cells only will undergo the meiosis, but when they are producing, they are all the 4 of them are producing as a haploid only. So it is not possible for normally if it is undergone the mitosis process. So that is why they are selecting a very complicated process, call it as an meiosis. Meiosis further divided into two steps, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 further divided into two types, karyokinesis and also cytokinesis, and then meiosis 2 is further divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. That means now you understood that 2 times division of the nucleus is taking place, 2 times division of the cytoplasm is taking place. But you have to remember one point, that only one time the division of the DNA takes place. Only one time the number whatever the DNA content is there, 2n is there, if it is there, so it is become the 4n, so that it is possible to distribute the haploid number of the chromosomes to the daughter cells also. And in the middle one step is there, that is called as interkinesis. So remember one point, this cytokinesis may or may not be happening, or interkinesis also may or may not be happening. If they want to take the rest some time to make a more protein synthesis, they'll take it, otherwise they'll continue for the further process. So here karyokinesis divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase is a very complicated step. It is undergone to the leptotin, zygotin, packetin, diplotin, diakinesis. Here we go that diploid then becomes haploid, then it is going to become the haploid. So that is why the first step is meiosis 1 is considered reductional division, and the second meiosis 2 is considered as almost equal to mitotic division. So in further classes we'll continue. Thank you for watching.